Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're here to dive into the best tools and technologies for IT infrastructure engineers, cybersecurity folks, and developers. Today we're going to explore OLLama, a lightweight extendable framework for building and running language modules on your local machine. We will be showcasing the top 5 commands and the features that make OLLama a standout tool for your AI and ML projects. Let's get started. Our first command is a basic command, but a very powerful one. We're going to run a language module with OLLama, and we can pass a prompt as an argument directly. For instance, if you want to summarize a file using Llama 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to minimize that. I'm going to grab my command and I'm going to copy it and I'm going to have a quick look. So from here you can see I'm going to run OLLama. I'm going to talk to Llama 3. I'm going to summarize this file. This is my argument I have. And this is the specific file. This file lives in my local home directory here on my Pop OS machine. So if I now hit return, and you can see it's now summarizing what all the information was in this text file. So the next thing I'm going to do is the command. What we're going to show you is how to find out information about the language module you use. And in this case, we're going to type in OLLama. Oops, it's not typing. OLLama show Llama 3. This is the language module we're talking to. We want to get some information out. We want to understand, is this the base module for our task? There you get the information from the language module. You can find the same information on the website as well. And this way you can see what's the license agreement that you have for this my language module. You can see the parameter size of this large language module as well. This gives you a basic understanding of how to find information using a command line. You want to see as well the modules that you currently have installed or pulled down to your local machine. So the command to see all the language modules that you pull down from OLLama is very simple. It's just going to be OLLama, and we're going to say list. We're just going to list it all out. So there you have it. There you can see the last one I've downloaded was Gem, my latest that I've pulled down an extra 5 gig. And here I've got Gemma 2 billion, which is also down about 3 hours ago. This is the unique IDs for the large language module. Also, we're going to have a quick look now at the next command. The next command is to start the OLLama server. And what do we use if you want to know if the Llama server is running? So in this case, we're going to say clear the screen. So we have a nice clean screen. We're going to type in OLLama serve, which is short for server. This will tell us it's running already. The address is already in use. This is why I get this area, but this is how you start it up. It's a great command to check if your OLLama server is running. Now, the next command, we're going to look at how to get a response on my REST API using curl command in your development process. For example, we're going to use a very simple example here. We're going to just copy and paste it here. We're going to curl out from our local host our port number /API generate. So this is our API. URL. We're going to generate from the module Llama 3. We're going to have a small prompt in here why it's sky blue. Now you can put it into your Visual Studio Code. You can use the curl command in there when you do your developments. In this case, just for the folks who's watching, I'm just going to run this in my terminal because it's still runnable in terminal. Just see if I get a response back from my API. So if I hit return, we can see here a massive list of responses coming down. And there it finished. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to have the last command is a bonus command. I'm going to show you here. I'm going to clear my screen as well. Oops, it's not typing. Clear. And to find more help for yourself on OLLama, just do OLLama-help. Hit return and you get a lot more information that can help you with your journey on OLLama. And here you have it, 5 commands showing OLLama capabilities, whatever you're summarizing text, exploring module details, list available modules, starts your server up, generating responses via REST APIs. OLLama makes it simple and efficient. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below, where we're going to share the GitHub so you can find more examples of how you can use your REST API and so more. And also, remember to like and subscribe and to look out for our next video. So I'll see you next time.